Hey guys, I'm sorry if you're looking at my feet right now. That's what I'm about to go to, an old car show. So for right now, I'm just gonna put my camera at my feet, just to see if I have to sign in or anything. Hang on guys, I'm pausing y'all real fast. Okay, well guys, I just found out it's free to go in. That is a pretty car right there. If y'all can name these cars that I'm showing up first, please tell me. I don't know what that car is. That's a Viper. That's a pretty Viper. These are some pretty cars. Oh my gosh, Super King. I know you would know that car from my game. This is on the cars on the game. Okay, Super King, price. I know y'all might think this is funny. If y'all can tell me that car from the game. And these are some pretty cars. Wow. Those two cars beside each other just look amazing. I'm putting on pause so I can get this better. Look at those two cars beside each other. If you're gonna name those two cars from that look right there, tell me. That's the pretty car I was looking at whenever I saw.
Working good, huh?
If y'all can name these cars for me, please tell me, because I'm having difficulty trying to figure out what some of these cars were. But if y'all could please name this for me, that would be great if y'all guys could. That old Beetle's just getting me right there. I'm gonna pause y'all guys real fast. I just talked to that guy of that old Ford pickup truck, the one that looks like it's slammed, but it's not. That's just how it sits. That one right there, that went straight ahead. If y'all want to hit me up one day on Xbox, just comment down below and I'll send it to you. But yeah, that's right across from where I've been staying, and that's free to get into. But yeah, if y'all want to hit me up one day on Xbox, but please tell me what the names of those cars are. I know some of them, but I don't know all of them. But yeah, please hit me up one day. I really, really would like. So, I'm gonna stay on a little bit longer with y'all. But this is the exact parking lot that I've been across. But there's a little pond. Hi, little pond.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the inaugural San Jose Car and Truck Show, presented by Keith Hewitt, Hyundai GMC. All right. Well, it's time. We're going to get started. We have tons of door prizes here today, and we'll make sure that all of our presenters, participating car owners, have make sure they got their white tickets into our door prize hopper here. You all give them one, and you get your registration. So make sure you have that in there. And we're going to go ahead and kick it off here with our first two door prize drawings here. The first one is going to be for a Cracker Barrel gift card of $25. Can't beat that. Love me some delicious food at Cracker Barrel. load up here. Take one out.
That Viper's catching me though.
All right, our first winner here is going to be 6367245.
Who won it?
6367245.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at what just rode in. The Beauty Mustang.
Oh, gas card for $25 there too. Put some Petro in your car. And our winner for that one's going to be 6367216. So number 16, ticket 16. If you've got ticket 16, you just won yourself a Shell gas card. Congratulations. We're going to be keeping track of all of our winners here today on our board over here. So don't worry. All right, bring that ticket on and come claim your prize. Up here with our hospitality tent right over here, so make sure you come and grab a snack or a drink here. It's all free, but donations are graciously accepted here. So please come on by and grab some delicious hospitality. Enjoy.
That beautiful Mustang right there. Like guys, San Jose is setting this up. They're basically setting this up for them. Those two cars right there together. Okay, correction. That is not a Viper. That is a Corvette Chevy. So, I don't know what that guy's doing. But yeah, if y'all want to hit me up anytime soon, just hit me up on the Xbox. Or just hit me down in the description below. But yeah. I hope y'all having a great day. Hope y'all enjoy. And have a nice day.